In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your keyboard back to its original settings in Windows 11. So there's two different methods you can use to do this. The first is by heading over to your Start menu and searching for Device Manager and then click on the Device Manager window. From here, you need to click on Keyboards and expand this drop down, and you need to locate your keyboard from this list. So mine's this HID keyboard device, and we're just going to right click on this and select Uninstall Device. Then click on Uninstall to confirm, and once you've uninstalled your keyboard, it should then stop working, and what you need to do to reinstall it is click on Action and then press Scan for hardware changes. Now that will reinstall the keyboard back to your device, and that's one way you can reset the settings. Now another way you can do this is by heading over to your Start menu and searching for Settings, and then click on the Settings window. From the left hand side, select Time and Language, and then click on Language and Region. Now in order to reset your keyboard, we first need to install a new language. Now it's a bit of a weird way to reset your keyboard, but it definitely works. So what you need to do is click on the Add a Language button. Now go and select a new language. I'm just going to type in English because obviously that's the one I understand, but this time I'll be using English Australia, for example, and then click on Next. Then make sure you have all three of these checked and click on Install, and that's going to go ahead and download all of that to your device. So what you need to do once you've done this is click on the three horizontal dots next to the language you just installed, and you need to select Move Up. Now if you have multiple languages in here, make sure it's the one at the very top, and once you've added your new language to the top of this window, you'll then need to restart your computer. So what we're going to do is just head over to the Start menu and press the power button and select Restart. So once you've restarted your computer, it will now be using the new language for the keyboard. So now all we need to do is reset it back to English. So we're going to do that by heading back over to the Start menu, searching for Settings, and then clicking on the window. Click again on Time and Language, Language and Region, and now all you need to do is move your original language back up to the top. So I'm just going to click on the three horizontal dots and press Move Up. And now that we have our original language back up to the top, that's going to have reset all of your settings by doing this. And if you want to as well, you can remove the language that we just installed. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.